Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the chapter 6 of your textbook, square and square root. First of all, we will discuss this square. We will talk about the square. Square is what? When a number is multiplied by itself, like a number, any number, when multiplied by the same number, it is known as square. Like I am taking first 10 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6. When 1 multiplied by 1 or 2 multiplied by 2, it is known as 2 to the power 2. We call it 2 square. This power 2 is known as square. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the squares of natural numbers. Now, when we multiply 2 into 2, we will get 4. When we multiply 3 into 3, 3 square, we will get 9. Similarly, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. These are the perfect squares of first 10 natural numbers. Now, if you observe these perfect square number, we can find out 0 is here. Only we are observing these unit place number or ones place number. So, we can say 0 is here, 1 is here, 2 is not there, 4 is here, 5 is here, 6 is here and 9 is here. All these ends with 2, 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6 is in repetition, 9 again repeated, 4 and 1. 2 is not there, 3 is not there, 8 is not there and 7 is not there. These numbers are not there in perfect square number. If we want to name it, we can say that if any number ends with 0 or 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9, it must be a perfect square number. Like for example, if I write 2, 2, 2, 9, then it must be a perfect square of any number because it ends with the ending number or the unit place number is 9. If the unit place number is 9, then it definitely be a perfect square number. Fine. If I write 1, 2, 3, this is a perfect square. If I write number 1, 2, 3, see, in any of the square number, 3 is not there at the unit place or ones place. So, we can say it is not a perfect square because it ends with 3. The unit place number is 3. So, it is not a perfect square, it is a perfect square number. Okay. Random number you can take 1, 0, 5, okay, 5, 5. See, it ends with, by observing, by looking at the unit place number, we can say it is the 5 unit place number and 5 is there in the square, perfect square number. So, it will be a perfect square number of any number. Fine. So, why? Just observing, just looking at the unit place number or the ending digit, we can say that it will be a perfect square number or not. If it is 2, 3, 8, 7 at the ending number, the number will not be a perfect square, and if it consists 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 at the ending place, then it definitely be a perfect square number. Fine. Now property 1. Now property 1. Suppose I am taking a number 4. Here we can see 4 square is equal to 16. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Okay. If we write 24 square, if we want to find out the square of 24, the unit place number, see, only this number we are talking about, this will remain same. If the ending number is 4, all the square numbers will end with 6 because 4 square is equal to 16. Suppose if we write 124 square, the number may be bigger or smaller. The 4 the unit place number will be 6 only. 1224 square. We are not talking about rest of the number. It can be anything. The ending digit, the ones place number, the unit place number will be always 6 because of this 4. Why? See, if we want to multiply it, 24 into 24, see, 4 4s are 16, 1, 96, 8. Suppose we need to here 0 or we can cross it. So this number will be always carried down as it is. The unit place number will be always carried down as it is. No matter it is 125 or 225 or whatever, sorry, 224 or 124, any number, this number, the unit place number will it will be copied down as it is. Because of the process of multiplication, we have to add a cross under this number, unit place number. So 6 will remain as it is. 6, 7, 5. So the 6 will be remain same. So we can say by observing only the unit place number, if it is 4, then the square of this number will always end with 6. Okay. You can take any example. Take any number 8. 8 square is equal to 64. So all the number ends with 8, the square will always end with 4. 168 square, because the ending number is 8, so the square number will always end with 4. This number can be anything, but the end unit place number or the ending digit will always be 4 because of this 64. 8 square is equal to 64. So all the numbers ends with 8, their square will ends with 4.